Hi, my name is Diana Patricia Torres Rivera. I am 18 years old. In my free time, I like to watch videos, spend time with my boyfriend, listen to music, read, and read. I currently live in Colombia, Arauca, in a neighborhood called Mate Venado. My last vacation, I went to know Duitama, Boyacá. There we met the Central Square, the swamp of Vargas, and some monks. I went with my family, my 3 sisters, and my mother. I was about a month. I live with my parents, my 3 sisters, and my 9 pets. Among them, 2 cats and 7 dogs. I study psychology. I am in my 4th semester at the InUNAD. For my next vacation, I would like to return to Duitama, Boyacá. Since it's nice, since it's a very nice and touristic city. My hobbies are studying, running, helping my father in the business, and we could say that this is something of me. Thank you.
Continue with the recipe. In the day-to-day, I combine the recipe. Homemade Thai rice. Ingredients: homemade Thai rice. Rice, celery, carrot, onion, paprika, garlic, cabbage, soy sauce, bean, chicken, meat, oil, salt. Presentation of the recipe. This is a recipe that has become a custom for special dates. Since my boyfriend took my mom for my sister's birthday. Since then she liked it and learned to make it. Now it's very frequent. The times she makes it and we like it. Recipe description 1. First we make a rice, add oil in a pot, garlic, wash rice, then add enough water and salt to taste. 2. We chop the meat and chicken into cubes, then we fry them in oil with garlic and salt, and finally we store them. 3. We cut the vegetable into julienne strips after washing. Then we fry the vegetable and blanch then in water with vinegar. After that, we check the taste again. Finally, we match ingredients a little at a time. In other words, in the rice, we add the vegetable, chicken, and meat. Finally, we add soy sauce and stir until everything is well incorporated.